Anna from PNW Blanks and Sublimation, and tonight we have an extra special video because we just hit 5,000 subscribers here on YouTube. So thank you so much to everybody who has liked our videos, commented, shared with your friends, and of course subscribed. Please continue to do so, and that way, you know, we are able to share and make more videos and content for you all, and you know, it just makes it all worth it. So thank you so very much. Tonight I am going to be making this 25-ounce water bottle. We just got them back in stock, and I'm actually going to be making it and then giving it away. So definitely, you know, like, share, subscribe, and also make sure you comment, because that's how I'm going to choose a winner. Is one lucky winner randomly from the comments will get chosen, and we'll get this shipped out to you after it's finished. Obviously not just a blank one, but you can always purchase blanks on the site. I will, as soon as I test this, make sure that it's good to go. Like we do with all of our products, we definitely batch test everything that comes in before listing it on the site, just to make sure that it has, you know, meets our quality standards. So let's go ahead and get started. These 25-ounce water bottles come with a Hydro Sports lid. They also come with a straw that attaches to that lid, so you can drink your water or juice, tea, Rockstar, whatever you want. So I have my design by Soul and Grace Designs. It's this really cute glittery and flower design. I added the PNW blanks, so one lucky winner will get a PNW blanks branded water bottle. And to use the roly-poly, you're just going to line the edge of your design up here on the tumbler side. There's a little lip. And then we're going to make sure that, since this is not an edgy tumbler, we're going to make sure that the design is above that curve there on the bottom. And then you're just going to roll your water bottle along with your transfer. When you hit the tape, you're going to use a little bit of downward force to get that tape to stick. As you come back around, and there you have it. It's all nice and taped. And I did cut my design a little, or my transfer a little bit short, so I am going to add a couple more pieces of tape, as this side is wanting to go over the edge, the other opposite edge there. So I'm just going to add a couple more pieces of tape just to make sure that when we put it in our press, then it's going to be okay. All right, so we are all good to go. I'm just going to kind of smush the top of my transfer up there, since it does curve at the top with the shape of the water bottle. And that is how I wrap my tumblers. So we'll get the roly-poly out of the way, get the press back in line, and we'll get started. Or we'll continue. Okay, so now that we're all set back up, I've already adjusted the pressure of my press. So I'm going to go ahead and put my water bottle in. I'm going to do it seam facing me first. And then we're going to go ahead and close that up. I have my press set for 365 degrees and 366 degrees with 30 seconds. We'll see if 30 seconds will do it. Usually for a larger surface area, I like to do about 40 seconds. Oh, you know what? I actually do have it set for 40 seconds. My bad. Because I was doing 40-ounce tumblers last, so that's why I was working on 40 seconds instead of the normal 30 seconds that I would do for a 30-ounce tumbler. So as soon as that gets back up to temperature, then the time is going to start counting down, and we will come back. So now you can see that it has reached its temperature, and so now the time is starting to count down. Okay, it reaches 0 we're going to go ahead and rotate it, and we're rotating at 180 degrees, so now the seam is facing away from us. We're going to wait before for the temperature to get down below that pressing temperature in order to close it. That way it has even heating on both sides. All right, then we're going to go ahead and close it, and then the press will rise back up to temperature. You can see it's dropping a little bit because we did rotate it, so now that cold side of the tumbler is heating up back up with the heating element. Sorry, I haven't had dinner yet, and so I'm just trying to do this video real quick. I'm super excited about 5,000 subscribers. As I mentioned before, a comment will get you entered to win this beautiful water bottle as soon as it's finished. And then if you want blank water bottles, then make sure to visit pnwblanksanna.com, where I will be listing the restock. And any comment, constructive criticism or something that you like about my videos, if you're a first time watcher, then that would be great to know as well. Just any kind of comment will get you entered into the drawing. I mean, don't be nasty, because nobody likes nasty people unless you totally hate my videos, but constructive criticism would be, a better way to do that. Be nice. All right. So we are taking this out, and you can actually already see that PNW blanks design right through there. So that's how I know that that is probably most likely good. However, we are going to go ahead and do our PNW peak, and look at that. That is absolutely ouch hot. Absolutely hot. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that seam. Like, what seam? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to reveal this. Oops. And take a peek at the bottom, and same thing. Oh, so gorgeous. I'm so excited. Okay, let's go ahead and take it all off. Okay, I just set it down for a second. It's hot. Alrighty, let's go ahead and remove all the tape. Ow. I just did my nails on the weekend, and I filed them a little bit too short, and so it's really hard to get my nail under the tape there. We're going to unwrap this baby. Come on. I mean, I guess we could just rip it off technically, but I don't know. I'm getting the habit of, there we go. And let's look at it. Oh, it is so gorgeous. I am in love. Look how amazing that turned out. It's so pretty. Who wants to win this gorgeous water bottle? Is my camera like glitching out? Sorry, I think my camera is glitching for some reason. Anyway, who wants to win this? If you want to win, just comment below. 5,000 subscribers celebration. If you like this video, like I said, share with your friends. Like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content, and happy pressing. Good luck in the contest.